Welcome. Today in front of me Realme Narzo 50 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that tap here on the sound and vibration section. Here you'll see the vibration on ring mode. Just we can turn on or turn off this feature by click once on the switcher. We can also switch sound mode to vibration mode and to silent one. Here we have all the media, ringtone notifications and alarms volume panels. We can just switch them just by swipe to the left or to the right side, this white dot. Also we can switch the volume button function. So here on the left side of our device we have two volume buttons, so just we can switch the volume button function from media to ring to change the ringtone volume. We can turn on or turn off the don't disturb mode, and we can change the ringtone and notification sounds here. Also we have here more sounds and haptic section. We can click once on each of switcher or the switchers to activate or to turn off these options. So we can, for example, turn on or turn off the dial buttons, the lock screen sound, the screenshot, deletion sounds, the touch sounds and vibration on touch. Also I have here the switcher to reduce notification feedback on full screen. We can turn on or turn off also this feature. Here we have also other settings. We can switch default recorder, and in-ear monitoring we can turn on or turn off feature to keep in-ear monitoring same as recording. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Realme device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.